Here we have simple linear equations too, but multiple fractional terms. We have more than one fraction. If we have more than one fraction, what do? Unlike a single fraction at either side of the equation that we cross multiply, we cannot cross multiply this aspect. It will be wrong to cross multiply. So what we're going to do is to use this leading statement, multiply through. Multiply through. So the first thing to do is 1. You know that this is a fraction of 1. This is a fraction of 1. Take note of the denominators of these fractions. What is their LCM? You see the denominator being 1, 2, and 1. In this case, the LCM is 2 because 2 can be divided by all the denominators without a remainder. So, all you need to do is to say multiply through by the LCM, and the LCM in this case is 2. Multiply through by 2. And by multiplying through, this is how we do it. Quickly, very simple. Just pay attention. We have 2. Okay, let me just rewrite the expression x over 1 plus 1 over 2 equals to 5 over 1. So, we are going to multiply through. I'm going to bracket all the terms we have here. And I will multiply each of the terms by 2. Each of the terms I'm going to multiply by 2. 2. 2. 2. So, what will this give us? 2 times x divided by 1 is equal to 2x. Plus 2 times 1 divided by 2. Simply, we can simply say 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. 1 times 1, 1. Then equal to 2 times 5 divided by 1 is going to give us 10. You can see anytime you multiply through by the LCM of the denominators of fractional equations, we are going to have the equation a straight line equation. In this case, we're going to have to collect the like terms. Okay, we have to collect the like terms. How do we do that? Quickly, we have 2x equal to, remember, we are moving 1 to the other side of the equation. And since it's positive 1, we are going to have negative 1 at the other side. So minus 1. So this will give us 2x equal to 9. And if 2x is equal to 9, what do you think we will do? If your answer is to divide both sides by 2, which is the coefficient of x, then you are correct. So we simply say 2x over 2 equal to 9 over 2. And 2 can go with 2. X will be equal to 9 by 2 is simply 4 whole number 1 over 2, or 4.5 for those who love using calculator. Okay, let's try this one. Find the value of m. In this case, we have to find the value of m. How do we go about it? Very simple. Same way. We are going to make this over 1, then multiply through. Multiply through by the LCM of the denominators. Now, in this case, the denominators are 3m, 1, and 4. What is the LCM? The LCM is simply 12m by 12m. Let's rewrite the expression first. 1 over 3m equals to 5 over 1 minus 3 over 4. Alright, we are going to bracket all the terms we have here. and then we multiply through by 12m, 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 and then 12m. Good. Now, let's do the needful. 3m into 12m is going to give us 4. 4 times 1, 4. And this is equal to 1 in 12m is simply 12m. And 12m times 5 is 60m. And minus 4 in 12 is simply 3m. So we have 3m times 3, which will give us 9m. So the next step, 4 equal to 60m minus 9m. This will give us 51m. 51m. So to get the value of m, all we need to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of m, which is 51. Take note of that. So divide both sides by the coefficient of m. Divide both sides by 51, which is the coefficient of m. Alright, so we're going to have 4 over 51 equal to 51m over 51. 51 can go with 51. So we're going to be left with m equal to 4 over 51. Nothing else we can do here further. So we leave it as 4 over 51. Alright, let's see the last exercise here. The last task we're going to do. In this section we have y over 3 plus 1 over 2 equal to 5 minus 3y over 4. Okay, all we need to do is to make this over 1. You can see that we have multiple fractions here. Very good. You don't need to be afraid. All you need to do is multiply through by the LCM of these denominators, 3, 2, 1, 4. And 3, 2, 1, 4, the LCM is 12. So we can say multiply through by 12. Let's do that job quickly. So we have, I'm going to rewrite it first. Rewrite the equation, y over 3 plus 1 over 2 equal to 5 over 1 minus 3y over 4. Alright, as we move on, if you enjoy the class, please just comment great, so it will ginger us the more to do something nice here. Alright, so let's multiply through by 12. I put 12 here, I put 12 here, I put 12 here, I put 12 here. Okay, the next step. Very, very simple. 3 in 12 is 4. 4 times y. This is what I'm doing. I divide the 12 outside by the denominator and then multiply the results by the numerator. 3 in 12, 4. 4 times y. 4y. Plus 2 in 12, 6. 6 times 1, 6. Equal to 1 in 12. 12. 12 times 5, 60. Minus 4 in 12. That will give us 3. 3 times 3y. And that will give us 9y. Good job. Great one. Let's move further. So we're going to have to collect like terms. Alright, let's collect the like terms. I'm going to move 9y to the other side of the equation here and move 6 to the right hand side. Alright, we're going to have 4y as 9, negative 9y is crossing the equation sign. Remember, this is negative sign, negative 9y. So it's crossing the equation sign, it becomes positive 9y. and this will become 60 minus, this is positive 6 is crossing now, so it's changing to negative 6. So we're going to be left with 13y equal to 60 minus 6 will give us 54. Now we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of y. And the coefficient of y is 13. So we have 13y over 13 equal to 54 over 13. Good job. This, go with this. Y to be equal to 4 whole number 2 over 13. Alright. 2 over 13. Good job. So this will be the value of 13 then. You can leave your answer in decimal, but if you are required to leave it in fraction, just leave it as 4 whole number 2 over 13. And that is our final answer in this case. This is your work to do. Please kindly do this part and then place your answer at the comment section.